Hello everybody, this is another Mitel Monday with Wade the Kidwell Phone Guy. Today we will be discussing a fairly common technique that you have to perform on the phones. If you're having any issues or maybe you move a phone and you need to clear the information on it, you need to perform a factory reset. And so to do that, you actually press a series of buttons. To begin, you press the mute key. This is the activation key. And then you're going to spell the code clear. And so that's 25327, and then you're going to hit pound to complete the action. So what that looks like is mute, C-L-E-A-R, and then pound. And then on the screen, you'll then press this button to say yes. Go ahead and complete that factory reset. Once you do that, the phone will then reboot on its own, and it will re-pull all of the DHCP information and everything else, and then you're free to go ahead and reassign that phone. Thank you. Next, we will discuss how to simply perform a reboot on the phone without actually having to unplug it and replug it in. To perform the reboot, the code is reset. So that's 73738. To perform the reset key, press the mute button, spell reset, R-E-S-E-T, and then press the pound key. Then on the screen, there will be a prompt asking if you would like to reboot. Say yes, and then the phone will complete a reboot on its own.